Hey guys, I'm here with another upload to the channel, and today we'll be talking about some downsides of taking a particular supplement. Creatine is arguably the most used supplement in the bodybuilding world, and despite the huge benefits it offers to the bodybuilder, some side effects can come about from the use of creatine. Today, I'll be walking you through some of the worst side effects that are caused by the use of creatine, and the circumstances that bring about the expression of these side effects. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Kidney damage. Prolonged use of creatine can contribute to kidney damage. The kidneys remove waste products from the body and regulate blood pressure. Creatinine is a waste product of creatine, and it's usually filtered out the blood and excreted in the urine. High levels of creatine in the blood can be caused by the ingestion of high doses of creatine and is an indication of kidney damage and the inability of the kidneys to filter creatinine out of the blood. Acute tubular necrosis and glomerulonephritis are some kidney problems related to high creatinine levels in the blood, which can lead to chronic kidney disease or kidney failure. Number 2. Liver damage. Short-term, low-dose usage of creatine supplements has not been shown to negatively affect the liver in any way. The liver of elite athletes who use creatine supplements in the long term has also not been seen to have been affected adversely. However, there is evidence that the use of supplements over more than 6 months could lead to liver dysfunction or damage. Experiments done on mice showed the development of significant inflammatory lesions upon long-term admission of creatine. Also, long-term usage of supplements can inhibit the liver's ability to synthesize creatine naturally. Number 3. Bloating. Creatine bloating occurs most often when one begins supplementing with creatine. A period called the loading phase, where 20 to 25 grams of creatine is taken consecutively for 5 to 7 days before adopting a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day. During this period, there tends to be an increase in both water intake into your muscles, and muscle mass can lead to a significant gain in total body water and cause bloating. That said, an increase in total body water caused by supplementing with creatine is short-term and usually resolves a few weeks after the loading phase. Number 4. Dehydration. Creatine supplementation alters the body's stored water content by driving additional water into your muscles and boosting the ability of muscle cells to hold water. This can be the cause of the feeling of dehydration experienced by athletes who supplement with creatine. However, this movement of cellular water content is on a minor scale and does not actually lead to dehydration. Number 5. Muscle cramps. The ability of creatine to control cell water content can lead to muscle cramps as a side effect. Muscle cramping occurs when your body is not getting enough water, so the best approach is to increase your intake of water by sipping it constantly during and after your workout. The movement of water to and the retention of water by the muscle cells can also cause an imbalance of electrolytes, so as you increase your water intake, also increase your electrolyte intake. Number 6. Weight gain. Water weight is a form of weight gain that occurs with creatine supplementation. Creatine can cause rapid development of water weight because the supplement draws water into the muscle cells, a condition known as fluid retention. An increase in muscle mass can also lead to weight gain, and this can be affected by various factors like how intense your workout session is. Typically, creatine weight gain is not significant enough to make a huge impact on weight beyond a boost in water weight or muscle mass. Number 7. Compartment Syndrome. Creatine supplementation can increase post-exercise and resting anterior muscle compartment pressures above pre-supplementation levels. There is also a slow normalization of these pressure valves even after stopping the use of creatine. The extreme pressure on blood vessels within a muscle compartment can cause swelling and considerable pain, and if left untreated, could lead to permanent damage to muscle fibers. Though various side effects are occurring from the use of creatine supplements, these side effects usually arise from the high dosage of the supplement. Appropriate supplementation of creatine has not been shown to produce any side effects that can lead to permanent damage, just the temporary effects your body experiences as you try something new. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and consider leaving a like if you found this video helpful and subscribing to the channel for more fitness tips. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts.